So this is the SOM Club Fair. It's hosted by mostly the second years, and they're just kind of talking about what they've done in the past year and a half being at SOM, and just they're doing a little bit of, pitching and networking and trying to get to know some of the first years. I think I'm interested in the Tech Club, SOM United, and the Squash Club.
I'm interested in the Media and the Tech Club, as well as the Nonprofit Board Fellows and Philanthropy Conference. They're going to help me learn about different avenues and the different career paths that I can take, and just new hobbies and interests and meeting new people.
Clubs are one of the reasons why I chose Yale. Professionally, I think the Marketing and Tech and Consulting Club. And then I'm really interested in joining the hockey team and the golf club for fun and to meet other people. I just heard about the Food and Agriculture Club that also sponsors some sort of like informal oyster shucking or cocktail like mixology. So I think that's lots of like wide interest that I'm trying to explore at Yale. There's like 56 clubs officially through Yale SOM. It feels like a lot, but I think what I love about it is that you can kind of drop in and kind of decide over the course of the next few weeks which clubs you want to take leadership roles and which ones you kind of just want to just stay, just chill around and relax with.
I'm going to try to join a lot. We'll see how that actually works out. But if I can be part of like 5 to 10, I think that would be great. I think it's going to be pretty essential for my time here at SOM.